What is up, Sideways fam? We're back again today with another video, and today I have a super cool video for you guys that's going to be coming out, and it's all about my buddy Mason, Midnight2jz. He has the fastest Is300 I've ever built out of all the cars I've built, out of actually all the Supras or any car I've ever built. The car made about, I believe, 830 or something horsepower, between 830 850 horsepower it made on the dyno with us that day. It took us about 6 months to get the car all together because the customer was deployed in, I believe, Iraq for one of his deployments. He ended up coming back to California to where he was stationed. Now the car is in Texas. Since we've done the car has been turned up 3 or 4 times remotely by Danny on Rebel Tuning, and it should be somewhere around 1,000 horsepower now. So this video is going to be a tribute to my buddy Mason. At, once again, Instagram's at Midnight2jz. Really close friend of mine. He went ahead and told me yesterday on one of my videos, like, hey, don't forget, you know, I'm still the fastest car that you've ever built. You know, not any of the other Supras you've done. So, you know, just, I got the crown for now. So we're going to see if later on this year, when Jair's car is done, if we can at least beat the number that we beat on dyno here in California, on our dyno. If we do, I mean, hey, somebody else might take the title, but for now, I want to go ahead and show you all the videos of us going ahead and putting this car together. The car was built last year, sometime around before May of 2020. He's been gone for a while now, but I wanted to share this stuff with you because basically there's a lot of pictures of the whole entire build process that were there for you to watch, from when the engine was on a stand out of the car and had already been fully built. We went ahead and put wisco pistons, manley rods, ARP main studs, ARP rod bolts, obviously aftermarket head gasket, probably Tomei head gasket, ARP head studs. Went ahead and put BC 272 cams in it, titanium valve springs and retainers from Brian Crowder as well, with brand new race keepers, and put stainless brand new valves, obviously valve guides, valve seals, the whole nine, standard OEM rebuild on the head. So I mean, very simple build, you guys, for people that are thinking about building something that's going to be very aggressive and be able to keep up with all these cars. I mean, to have an 800 1,000 horsepower car that you can build for the same price as building a 2JZ GTE car, I mean, it's going to save you money and you're going to get more out of it. So hopefully this will show you guys what you guys can get through us of building the car properly. There's going to be lots of kind of ups and downs because there's also some racing in Mexico. There's going to be some two-step competition stuff is there. I mean, like I said, this video was kind of had to be kind of put together for you guys because I wasn't doing YouTube back then, you know, consistently. I had stopped for a few years, so unfortunately I can't kind of document the whole entire process like we do now for every one of our builds. But just to give you guys a love and to have something to look forward to, this is what you guys could have, you guys. I mean, he has pretty much the car that you would want to have built by us. We are doing a build just like this again, like I said, in Jair's car. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, and I mean, we'll get you at the end.
joking. More power, baby. More power, baby.
What are we gonna do, Mason?
More power, baby.
Send it. Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's up, man? How you doing? Okay. Good. 6, 7.
and we say bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I gotta go run my errands today. It's the weekend, I'm not at work today, I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lots and lots and lots of stuff to learn. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, go ahead and give me a message through Instagram. You can message me through YouTube. Whatever other way that you would like to contact me, I can answer any questions you want. But overall, there's going to be a few more videos since I've seen that you guys have liked all of the Is300, 2JZ, GE stuff. I have a lot of 2JZ, GE stuff that's going to be coming out. I have a new system that we're going to be running for the non-VVTi that everyone's going to be looking at. We're trying to think of different options and ways to be able to convert a non-VVTi block with GE VVTi parts to make more power too as well. So I'm going to be doing a lot of like R&D stuff to be able to give you guys quality horsepower numbers and quality parts for on the low. I mean, and when I mean low, not what these inflated JDM prices for aftermarket engines are. I mean, the engines that we get from importers, you guys, if you guys didn't already know, they do list them as 30,000, 40,000 miles on the engines. When you get them, they're not that. They're going to have at least 180,000, you know, maybe 150,000 miles on them. And that's really, really BS, considering that they offer them to you like that. But they have no way, you know, you have no way of being able to really talk to them or tell them anything about it, because they brought them in. They're not going to give you any paperwork. They're just going to say, oh, it has 30,000 miles, even though it's leaking from everywhere on the engine and it looks like it's all tarred up inside. And everybody falls for it. So this is going to be a better option for you guys. You know, once again, Mason, I love you, dude. You are freaking the king right now, and you will continue to be the king until I can beat your stuff again. Miss you, dude. You know, can't wait. If you're ever in California and want to come back and visit the fam, we're here. And hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, you guys, peace.